Have you ever checked your task manager and noticed your CPU uptime has been running for days, maybe even weeks? You're not alone. And if you're wondering how to reset that number to 0, this video is for you. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to reset your CPU uptime in Windows 10. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you always get quick tech solutions without the fluff. What is CPU uptime? First, what exactly is CPU uptime? It's the amount of time your computer has been running without a full reboot. Even if you shut down or sleep your PC, Windows 10 often uses fast startup, which means your session never really ends. That's why your CPU uptime keeps increasing, even if you turn your PC off at night. So, how do you reset CPU uptime? The answer is simple. You need to fully reboot your computer, not just shut it down. Here's how. Step 1. Disable fast startup. Fast startup is the feature that keeps your uptime going even after shutdown. Click the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Go to Hardware and Sound Power Options. Choose what the power buttons do. At the top, click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Scroll down and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup Recommended. Click Save Changes. This will make sure that your next shutdown is actually a full shutdown. Step 2. Fully restart your PC. Now, restart your computer properly. Click the Start menu. Then click Power and choose Restart, not Shutdown. After the reboot, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus Escape. Go to the Performance tab, click CPU, and you'll see your uptime reset to midnight. Bonus tip. Want to keep fast startup but still reset uptime? If you don't want to disable fast startup forever, you could do a one-time full shutdown like this. Right-click on the Start button and select Windows PowerShell, Admin, or Command Prompt Admin. Type this command: bash, copy, edit, shutdown/s/f/t0. Press Enter. This forces a full shutdown. When you turn the PC back on, your CPU uptime will be reset. And that's it. Your uptime is now back to 0. If this helped you out, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.